Devashish Bhattacharya to please come and say a few words. He's had a glorious career as a journalist in television and media for 36 years. He has received numerous awards and recognition, particularly the Award for Environmental Excellence and the Srijan Shanman, as well as the National Award twice. So here, the key word really is environmentalism. Thank you, sir.
হ্যাপি নিউ ইয়ার। রিনা আমার খুব পুরনো বন্ধু। আমি বাংলায় বলতে একটু সাবলীন। তো রিনা যখন আমাকে বলল যে ওর মিডনাইট ভিজিটর বইটা আজকে আবরণ উন্মোচন হবে, সঙ্গে সঙ্গে আমি আর এই তার আমন্ত্রণ বার্তাটাকে ফেলতে পারিনি। রিনার আমি আগের বইটা পড়েছি, খুব নেচারের সাথে মিল আছে কিছু কবিতার। তবে আমি ভগবানের কাছে সাকসেস প্রার্থনা করি যাতে রিনার বইগুলো খুব ভালো মানুষ নেয়, মানুষ পড়ে। কারণ আজকালকার দিনে বিশেষ করে আমাদের অনেক জায়গাতেই দেখছি মানুষের রিডিং হ্যাবিটসটাই কমে যাচ্ছে, সবাই এখন মোবাইল নিয়ে ব্যস্ত। সো আমিও তার মধ্যে একজন। এনিওয়ে আমি অল দ্য বেস্ট রিনা, এবং থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ টু ইনভাইট মি। বাই।
Thank you so much, Mr. Bhattacharya. And I would like to introduce the author and say a few quick words about her previous book. I am Priyanjali Sen. I teach film and media studies in New York. And I'm visiting here. In fact, I'm about Bangla literature and film. So that's a whole other experience. But the key thing here was that Mrs. Reena Mukherjee's book of poems, which was released before today's book, called Wings of Dreams, is in free verse. And it talks about emotions, creativity, and of course, as was mentioned by some of our previous speakers, the role of education in expanding minds, bridging borders, differences, bridging hearts. You know, poetry as a bridge is one of the key terms or phrases that she uses in the book, and also the disconnect between the heart and the mind that seems to have happened. And perhaps poetry is a way of getting that flow going between the two. It can't always be one over the other or either this or that. There has to be a coming together of both. So education plays a key role, and even environment, because environment, not just naturally the leaves and flowers and trees, but even about nature, human nature. What is natural? What is unnatural? What is supernatural? Which is today's book, that's about supernatural. And these are categories that we question. We question again, we need to question. And there is no single answer. But the ability to express oneself, think broadly, think critically, question, challenge things instead of just passively absorbing and accepting, that is so important, and that becomes a way of bridging the gap between people and within ourselves, different parts of ourselves which function in different way, but it all has to come together. And so I will end with a couple of lines from one of her poems, which talks about the frail roses of hope which still grows on my barren earth. And this hope is something that we need to hang on to and not let go of in spite of everything else that goes on around us. And with that, we are going to delve into paranormal activities and fictional hauntings, ghost stories for sleepless nights. And may we give a warm welcome to Mrs. Reena Mukherjee, who will talk about her book, read an excerpt, and we will open it up for questions and interactions and discussions.
A warm welcome to everyone over here, and I'm very happy those who have just passed Oxford Bookstore and have come here just to know what I am saying today. I'm very much happy with your presence.